Welcome! Today we're going to learn a super easy way to extract audio from any video online. No software needed and completely free. Ever wanted to save your favorite song, podcast, or lecture from a video? In just a few clicks, the audio will be ready to use anywhere. Open the tool. First, go to the Bytable audio extractor by visiting bytable.com/tools/extract-audio-from-video. Upload the video. Click the upload area and select the video file, like MP4 or MOV. The tool will quickly process it. Choose the audio format. Next, select MP3 for a smaller, shareable file, or WAV for higher quality sound. Extract and download. Click the Extract Audio button. Wait a few seconds, and the audio file will be ready to download. That's it. And that's all. Check the description for the direct link to the tool. Please subscribe for more videos.